Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how you make those big store-bought chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to make those big beautiful cookies that you see in the bakery. I stopped by a local bakery and I kind of asked how you made these big cookies. You can either make homemade cookie dough. I just picked this up at the store. Make it easier on me. You'll preheat your oven to 400. Right now it's at 136. So preheat your oven to 400. I'm going to be adding in some of the Hershey candy bars into the cookie dough, along with some more morsels. And they told me to use 2 cookie sheets. So I have 2 cookie sheets, and then I have my parchment paper. So what I'm going to do is take about a half a cup of the cookie dough and then roll it into a ball. And then they said to poke little dimples into it. So let's get started. So I'll open up my tub of cookie dough. I'll put on some gloves. I'm going to take my Hershey bar and then cut it into smaller pieces. So I just cut them in sections, and then I'll cut them in half. And that's how big I want the chunks. So I'll place this off to the side. Get my cookie dough. I'm rolling it into a ball. Now I'll poke little dimples into the dough. I'm doing it all around the cookie ball. I'll place it on my parchment paper. Now I'll continue on making the rest. You want to try to make them uniform. Now poke the holes. Place it on the parchment paper. Now I'll place this one on my parchment paper. I'm just eyeballing about a half a cup. I'll place 5 on my cookie sheet. Now I'll place some of the Hershey bar that I cut up and put them in the cookies. I'm placing 4 on each cookie ball. I'll take a couple morsels and add some morsels. And there it is with the Hershey bars and the extra morsels. This is optional. You don't have to add the extra morsels or the Hershey bars. I just wanted to. So now what I'm going to do is place these in my refrigerator for 20 minutes before I put them in my oven. And my oven is set at 400. So into the fridge they go. And you leave them in here for 20 minutes. Out of this tub of cookie dough that I picked up, it's 2 pounds, 4 ounces. That's how much I used. It's been 20 minutes, so now I'll take the cookies out of the fridge. So now I'm going to place these in my oven, and I'm going to place them in the oven for 10 to 14 minutes. So into the oven they go. It's been 14 minutes, now I'm going to take them out of the oven. Oh yeah, look at that. What I'm going to do now is, while they're warm, I'm going to sprinkle some sanding sugar on top. Now you'll let these rest for about 30 minutes because they're still cooking on the inside, so I'm going to let them rest and then I'll check on them. Look at how nice they came out. They've been resting now for 30 minutes. You can see how they nicely flattened out. So now I'll put them on a plate. I'll separate the cookies. See how nice that looks? They're so big I can only fit 3 on this plate. So now I'll try one. So I put 2 on this plate. I'll try one. That's the back. They are good. Nice and chocolatey by adding the Hershey's on there and extra morsels. But that's optional. You don't have to add the Hershey bar or the extra morsels. They are delicious. They're so big I can only eat a little piece of it. But they are really, really good. So now I'll put plastic wrap on it, leave it off to the side. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make how the bakery makes these large chocolate chip cookies. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.